What's up everybody, this is your boy Champ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the inverse of a 2x2 matrix. If that sounds interesting, let's not waste any more time. I'll see you after the intro. Well, if you are new to this channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and you enable the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you can get the notification. Okay, now let's say you have matrix A with this element A, B, C, D. Okay, how do you find the inverse of this matrix? Okay, so this is the representation of matrix A. So you just put a -1 in front of whatever matrix alphabet that you're using. Say if it's matrix B, you will have B -1. That will represent the inverse of B. Okay. Now the expression of the inverse of that matrix will be like this. So you'll have 1 over A multiplied by D. So A multiplied by D minus D multiplied by C. Okay, that element, those elements. And then what is actually happening here is that you just switch the position of these two elements. Where there is A, you put D, and where there is D, you put A. This is what happened here. Okay, and then with these ones, you do not change the position. You just leave them wherever they are, and you just put a negative, see, a negative in front of these elements. All right, so that is the inverse of a matrix. All right, now let's use this one to explain how to find the inverse. So you'll have -1, 1, that. So what is actually happening here is that you have A multiplied by D, which is A multiplied by D, and in this case it's 4 multiplied by 2. So it's 4 multiplied by 2 minus. So you have B multiplied by C, which is B multiplied by C on this matrix, the original matrix, and then here it will be 3 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 1. Okay, and what actually happened here is that you just switch the elements. Where there is 4, you put 2, and where there is 2, you put 4. Here you put 2, here you put 4. All right, and then these ones, these two, you do not change the position. See, you just put negative in front of those elements. Okay, we are almost done. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. And then these ones, you just write them just the way they are. Good. And therefore, 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Therefore, this one, you write it as it is. Okay. So what will actually happen here is that this number in front of this matrix will have to multiply each and every element of that matrix. Okay, so the final answer, you will have 1 over 5 multiplied by 2, it's 2 over 5. Okay, and then 1 over 5 multiplied by -3, you'll have -3 over 5. 1 over 5 multiplied by -1, you'll have -1 over 5. And for the last one, you'll be 1 over 5 multiplied by 4 will be 4 over 5. There we go. All right, so that is my final answer. Okay, let's move to the next slide. All right, when you multiply the original matrix A with the inverse that we got from the previous slide, the answer that we expect to get is 1001. All right. So if you multiply the original matrix with the inverse that you calculated and you don't get this answer, therefore you must know that whatever that you did is very wrong. Okay, so I'm just going to prove that whatever that we did, it's correct. Okay, so I'm going to multiply that matrix and the inverse. So I'm going to use my calculator to just to fasten the process. All right, so if you do not know how to use a calculator to multiply two matrices, I've linked the video in the description below, and you can go check it out before you attempt this part. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to press mode setup matrix. The first matrix is A, and then number 5, then I enter matrix A, which is 4 3 1 2. Okay, AC. Then I'm gonna enter that one. So that one will be 6, matrix B. It's a 2 by 2. I press 5. Therefore, that one is 2 over 5. Answer. Minus 3 over 5. Answer. Minus 1 over 5. Answer. 4 over 5. Answer. AC saved. Then I access the memory. 4, and then the first one is A, multiply by, the second one is B. Okay, this is the answer. All right, so you can check it right here at the bottom. So the first one, the first element, it's 1. The second one is 0, and 1. So it means whatever that we did is very correct. Okay, so that is how you can go about it, or you can just do it manually. Multiply these two matrices manually, and I've linked a video in the description below just to show you how to multiply these two matrices manually, and the answer that you get must be that one. Okay, that's it from me today. If you have any questions, just drop them in the description below, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching till this far. Cheers.